Aussie Tree Chaser here, and awareness is a very powerful tool, but an even more powerful tool is action. And I'm about to plant two magnificent trees. Let's go. Introducing the Corymbia Summer Red. Now this magnificent species gets to 5 meters high and brings out beautiful striking red flowers throughout the summer. This stunning hybrid of eucalyptus has been bred from the Eucalyptus ficifolia and the Eucalyptus tychocarpa. Not only is this magnificent tree grown for its stunning flowers, but an added feature is also the brand new red shoots.
Your sword cause the time is near. Gotta do it big like Bonnevier. I'm a rock star on a chandelier. Off the walls, yeah, I'm about to go crazy. For the beast, anybody that can tame me. What a thrill, what seems to amaze me. In the forest of youth and the raven. So now stop to the break of dawn. Shirts coming around, probably best to run. Playing my eyes, can't catch me now. I'm younger now.
Now just behind me I have a mature Corymbia Summer Red. Just have a look at the graft, which has strengthened over the years. Have a look at this. Unbelievable, you can see the graft line just there. And there we go, a magnificent mature Corymbia Summer Red. Now it's time to get these two in the ground.
I'm on a mission and I won't stop. No destination, but it's worth a shot. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go.
The golden rule for planting is dig a hole twice the size of the pot size, in depth and in width. And depending on your soil requirements, try and add some organic matter as well.
The town cops come and get down, down, down. Get up. Can't catch me.
And another rule of thumb, try not to plant the tree too deep. Just have it above the soil level and build it up.
No destination, but it's worth a shot. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go.
And voila! All done, and two magnificent grafted eucalyptus planted in this sensational coolant property.
You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go.
What an experience! And there's no excuses for not planting trees in these sort of properties. At 5 meters high, it doesn't get better than that.
100 miles and running while I'm chugging rocket fuel in Houston. Tell them that I'm coming up, I'm cruising. Space boots coming loose, but all I feel is music.